Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can translate short YouTube videos into your language. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments. So, let us get started with you, friends. First of all, open up the YouTube app and search here for shorts or short videos. And so, let's say I open one of the videos. And then in order to translate it into another language, I'm gonna have to click on the three dots at the top. And then I would select this option. Now auto-translate. And here from the languages that are added, you'll be able to choose any language you want. For example, I'm going to choose German. And as you can see, subtitles in German appear at the top. You can also translate this Meek video into any other language. That's how you can translate short YouTube videos into your language, friends. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful to you, friends. Please put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel. Take care.